It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Okay, John, tell us what you got there.
Got a 12 by 12 canvas with covered on the outside with Artist Loft black and Floetrol in the middle.
That's something new.
Yeah, something different, isn't it? We're gonna try. Back in metal flowers again. This is metallic black, metallic silver, metallic gold.
Comes out nice, smoothly, huh?
Yeah, the metallics, they do come out smooth. They go nice with the Floetrol. Black here. And just gonna do this. And that's it. Okay.
Interesting.
Now we're going to try like we did the other day. We're going to bring it out and swoop it around. It's interesting. Wipe off here. What?
Your finger.
Oh, that's a little extra added attraction.
That's what happens when you got big hands, I guess, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Good thing we got this Lazy Susan, huh?
Yeah.
We used to have it, I don't even know where we bought it. It's a nice solid wood one, which we probably shouldn't be using all these paints on it, but at least it's getting some use. We used to have it out on our table out near the pool, but it's usually just John and I, so we can pass the food to each other. We don't need to have it on a Lazy Susan. So it was sitting in the garage, and we both thought about it and said, hey, that would be good to use. And it has been good to use. And John is remembering to wipe off his spatula.
Thanks for reminding me that I reminded to do it.
Oh no, you did it. I'm gonna get you some paper towels though, because your things, your cloth is getting pretty dirty there. You'll be wiping off dirt on dirt.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, where's our little basting? Oh, it's all yucky. Okay.
Oh, you got some cells there.
I do?
Yeah, see them? Got the cells there too.
From the Floetrol. No
Yeah?
silicone. There's no silicone there. You told me the Floetrol, right?
Well, I don't know. I said try it, maybe it would work.
Those are my
Oh.
thumbtacks.
Oh, you're gonna drip on you.
Let me just try this. It's interesting. I'm gonna let you pick what color the center of the flower should be. Green, yellow, red, blue, purple, silver, gold, black. None of the above. Let's see.
Putting pressure on me, huh?
Oop,
Yeah.
getting away from the middle.
You were watching the
Yeah, I'm
watching
getting
the
dizzy.
things instead of the. Yeah, I know.
Why I'm working away from myself.
You took lessons from me. If there's a difficult way to do it, I do it. Right?
I refuse to answer on the grounds that I may not get no supper. Okay. Did you get any ideas about what we should do with the middle?
How
Should I
about
just stick with gold and silver? Or?
how about yeah, but you make it a circle. Like a circle
Like a
of
blobs?
gold, a circle, then inside that a circle of silver,
Yeah.
and then a dot of black.
Circle of gold, circle. I'm supposed to make a circle? I'm supposed to get it round?
Yeah.
No, the gold spreads a lot.
So put the silver fur. Oh, well, you gotta. I don't know. Looks.
I know what to do. I'll put the silver,
Yeah.
then I'll put the gold inside. I'll put 2 silver rings and I'll pour gold inside the
Inside
silver
and then
ring.
just black little dots.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So let's try it like this. Find the middle. I don't know how round this is going to be. like a,
Well, now,
looks like a
do
donut.
your thing and
Do my thing.
brush it out maybe a little bit. I don't know. The black is pretty good as a circle.
Think with this nice little hot dog skewer, or should I do it with that? Okay.
Yeah, just make it like a smaller version of that.
Smaller version of that. Okay.
Yeah.
Like this? Am I doing it right or doing it wrong?
Yeah, not what I envisioned.
Oh. Not what you envisioned, huh?
How about now, can you do a circle with that?
All I do is make mud if I do that, and it mixes all three colors
No,
together.
I didn't mean that. I meant do a big, a round circle, and then keep going. No, it'll make mud.
I won't do that. It's just mix it all
Okay.
together.
How about if you put little green dots in the middle? No, probably yellow.
Yellow? How about that?
Yeah, for pollen, like, or whatever.
Okay, pollen.
What color you think?
I'm fine, whatever you go with.
Or you want gold dots in the middle?
No, the gold spreads too fast.
Black dots in the middle?
No, let's go with what you said. The yellow. What do you got for yellow? How about the green? That citron, bright green.
I had this neon
No,
green. No.
What is that? Sublime lime. No.
How about just this?
What is that? School bus yellow. That's the end of our school bus yellow. Okay.
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Just put some dots.
Dots. I'm gonna put some right here. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not gonna put some in here. This may be empty.
Take the lid off.
Oh,
Okay, you could dip this in. Yeah, there you
I
go.
dip the back end in there. How's that? Talking like this. Where do you want a dot over here?
Yeah. Over here, over here, over here, over here. Wherever you want to put them.
Still going?
Yep, 13 minutes.
Oh, good. Get this done. What do you think?
Make sure they're uneven. That's 10, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. Yeah.
Cool.
think
Should
so.
I squiggle?
It's up to you.
I think so.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Be careful you didn't clean off your thing, so.
Oh, it's all the same color.
Cool. That looks good.
Ta-da! I don't know if I like this in here. It looks
What?
this in here. In here.
The
looks-
yellow in there?
No, not the yellow. The yellow's
Oh,
okay.
this here?
Yeah, that area there.
Well, you might have to use the bigger thing, though.
Yeah, but I'm concerned in whether it's just gonna get moldy, you know, get muddy looking.
Maybe just take it straight out, not curl it. Know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
Yeah,
No?
I don't think that works too good. I think it's okay. I think it's gonna smooth out anyhow. We'll see. Hit it with this thing again.
And then don't forget to run your fingers because you got a lot
I
of.
don't need it to run fingers. On the bottom, that's all.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Do we have a problem getting the thing in the middle? Is that in the middle?
What, it's gotta be in the middle?
No,
Who said it has to be in the middle?
it doesn't have to be in the middle, but this is what, the fourth one I did one, this is your third? None of us got it in the middle. Neither of us.
The middle is just relative.
The middle is what? A suggestion.
Yeah, this is like a speed limit sign. Okay, I think that's good. Good enough. So, let's get a picture of it up close and then we can shut this off and hopefully it won't be 20 minutes long. Actually, it looks better in the camera than it does in real life.
That means that's what it's going to look like in real life when it's dry, like what's on the camera.
Oh, there we go.
That's a sign of an expensive camera, I guess, then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's another metallic flower by John using silver, gold, black, and a little school bus yellow in the middle. You're gonna get him dizzy.
Around she goes.